Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to set a default zoom level for all PDF files in Adobe Acrobat. If your PDFs always open too small or too large and you want them to open at the same zoom every time, this video is for you. Let's get started. Open Adobe Acrobat or open your PDF. Then click the hamburger menu, 3 lines in the top left corner, and select Preferences. Or simply press Ctrl K on your keyboard to open the Preferences window. On the left side menu, select Accessibility. Find the section or write Page Display. Check the box that says Always use zoom settings. From the drop down, select the zoom level you want. Click OK to save the change. Now every PDF will open using your selected zoom level. No more adjusting every time. Close the PDF and open any other file. It should now automatically open with the zoom level you selected. And that's it. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with others. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.